Providing new health solutions, advancing human life, starting in our labs. A mindset shaped by science and focused on what matters. Saving lives doesn't start in the emergency room. It starts in research. At Octapharma, we're working to improve and protect life. From bleeding disorders to immune deficiencies and critical care, our therapies are built on the smallest building blocks, proteins, with science as our foundation. At our Heidelberg site, Octapharma Biopharmaceuticals unites research, development, and pilot production in one integrated environment. Together with our teams in Berlin and Frankfurt, we advance science across disciplines, shifting between data-driven analysis and hands-on lab work. Because innovation is born where theory meets practice. Our research labs aren't just places of precision, they're high-tech playgrounds for those who shape the future, with expertise, with purpose, with passion. At Octapharma, robotics make our work safer, faster, and more reliable. Automation is not about replacing people, it's about empowering them. That's how we ensure consistency and readiness to scale. From research to production, our advanced biologics are scaled for clinical trials, manufactured in-house with cutting-edge technology and uncompromising precision. What we develop here goes far beyond technology. It's a commitment to patients, to progress, to the future. Octapharma.